Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka Assam Himanta Sarma lapha ka khubor ka basai skinong le comes new bat ke bajudon kti hakikam bean bat khai Drok ha ka ba ulaong ba ka Thma Pyrshah ya udrok kan nangjur nang ni sakmat bat langba ka jinga trailang jong baro ki jela ka than chitei lamingi anrat dengkhong ya ka jing suthet uni ujingdi basniu habaya kran badunong san Hima ha Assam House ha ka steps ni ublai ka arpusan terik unaitung arhajar arpwai haswa bu unmi banlek pai sha Assam Himanta ulakren shai ba udrok udai ba jubu jingma ya ki jela habaro ka wei ka than chitei lamingi bat kalong ka badon kam banya trailang habdeng ki jela banrat dengkhong uni menteri rangba ka Assam bala penbena ba ka Thma Pyrshah ya udrok ba ka jela Assam kalayo ka jinge trailang na ka jela Manipur bat Nagaland bat ka don kam shu banya trailang bat ki wei ki jela ru namar udrok ulabu jingma ya baro ka wei ka than chitei lamingi ulayatu ba ki pulit ka jela Assam mar ya yo jingtip ki jelek Khynra Drok bat hagani ki jinglet Khynra ka don ru kapor ba ki poi se Jorabat bat ka than Byrnihat dangsian Himanta ulalek thang pajba ya udrok ubala yo kurup bala teliat ru ya uni jingdi basniu da ka koryu mauria.
We discuss various issues right from drugs trafficking, developmental issues, issues related to interstate border dispute. Then we discuss various ceasefire treaty with different organizations. So as a whole meeting was very good and productive. I mean, Home Minister is very open. He said that people should come back, state government should take a lot of initiative so that Northeast finally can see peace when India entered 75 years of independence. We are getting lots of feedback from Nagaland and Manipur. So we are trying to see that the entire drugs networks is collapsed and we can really make Northeastern a drugs-free state. So we have seized various huge number of drugs. Even some consignment were destined to Meghalaya. Even we have come up to Jorabat, Byrnihat, and we picked. So entire Northeastern region is in serious threat of drug menace. So we have to counter that collectively, and we have to counter that resolutely.